I first started running my business, I made the mistake of putting all my expenses on a personal credit card. Not only did I miss out on valuable rewards, but I also made tracking my business spending a nightmare. That changed when I discovered the Chase Ink Business Preferred. This card isn't just another business credit card. It's a tool that can actually scale with your business, helping you earn big rewards while keeping your finances organized. The Chase Ink Business Preferred is a premium small business credit card built for entrepreneurs who want to turn everyday expenses into valuable travel rewards and perks. It offers one of the most generous welcome bonuses in the industry, strong earning categories for business spending, and flexibility in how you redeem your points. In this review, I'll cover how it performs in real use, what it costs to keep, the standout strengths that make it worth considering, where it falls short, and who it's truly best for in 2025. One of the first things you notice about the Ink Business Preferred is its massive welcome bonus, worth hundreds of dollars in travel if redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. On top of that, you earn bonus points in categories that actually match how most businesses spend: travel, shipping, internet, cable, phone services, and select advertising purchases. This means you're not earning pennies. You're stacking rewards in areas where your business already invests money. The real power here is in the flexibility of Chase Ultimate Rewards. You can redeem for travel directly through Chase at a higher value, transfer points to airline and hotel partners for potentially even more value, or use them for cash back if you prefer liquidity. For business owners who travel, the ability to tap into transfer partners can stretch your points far beyond their face value. The Ink Business Preferred carries an annual fee, but for most cardholders, the value from the welcome bonus and ongoing rewards far outweighs the cost. It also includes cell phone protection when you pay your bill with the card, a surprisingly valuable perk that's rare in the business card space. There are no foreign transaction fees, which makes it travel-friendly for international business trips. This card shines because it combines a high earning potential with redemption flexibility. It also integrates seamlessly with other Chase business and personal cards, letting you pool points for even greater rewards. The protections it offers, like purchase protection and trip cancellation insurance, add extra peace of mind for business spending. It's not designed for everyone. If your business doesn't spend heavily in its bonus categories, you may not get the full value from the reward structure. And while the annual fee is reasonable for what you get, it still requires you to maximize the card's benefits to justify the cost. The Chase Ink Business Preferred is best for business owners who want high-value travel rewards, spend meaningfully in its bonus categories, and can take advantage of Chase's travel transfer partners. If you're looking for pure cashback simplicity, there are other cards in the Ink lineup that might suit you better. For the right type of business, the Chase Ink Business Preferred is a powerhouse. It rewards the spending you're already doing, offers unmatched travel flexibility, and includes benefits that make managing your business easier and more rewarding. If your goal is to turn your business expenses into travel opportunities or high-value rewards, this card is one of the best tools you can have in your wallet.